My name is Joseph. I have completed my BE in Electronics and Communication from Bangalore Institute of Technology and Management. Then after that, I have completed my course in Embedded System from IIES Bangalore, where I have gained knowledge in programming in C, C++, Embedded C. The course covered the other part of the practical aspects as well, like 8051, working with 8051 microcontroller, and working with LPC 1768, where we gained practical knowledge on the ARM Cortex processor as well. And the lectures were very knowledgeable, and they helped us to polish our skills and do the practical experience with the microcontrollers and the boards. And so my favorite is working with 8051 and LPC 1768, because you have to work with both hardware and the software part, like working with GPUs, interrupts, timers. So all those things helped me to get placed in VVDN Technology, and I surely thank IIES Bangalore for that, and a heartfelt thank you. And I surely recommend all of my friends and others who are watching the video to surely join IIES. Thank you.